Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this week's video I'm gonna do a bit of Sunday cleaning, reset, cooking, chilling out, and just see what I do on a weekend, and probably guys could take some tips from it, and you could tell me in the comment section what you do on a weekend. So if you're interested in seeing this video, please stay tuned. Right guys, so welcome to the video. So we did a bit of canvas painting last night because it was Chad's last day, so I'm gonna be clearing away all of this, putting everything back together, and I need to clear away all of this, get it in the garbage. Yeah, so that's one to do, and I have some washing I need to get done. Yeah, and just clear away some bits. Oh, and I need to clean out this pool. Yes, this pool I need to clean out. So that's another thing I need to sort out. See it there? Need to get this square away. Right guys, I'm gonna start some cooking using my special Maggi cubes. I'm gonna do some curry thigh with some pasta and beans, a bit of plantain. Yeah, so I'm gonna whip up something, catch you guys back. So people, I finished cooking the curry chicken. So when they finish, oh gosh, yeah, oh, all the steam come out. I have to wipe off the phone. Yeah, boy, see yeah. And this is my pastor. See me here now, people. Lunch finished. So me and the little one is gonna sit down and have some lunch. It ain't anything too fancy, but it go do. So yeah. Right guys, so that's the end of the video. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm gonna have my lovely lunch. Yeah, it ain't nothing too hatty, but it will do. And I'm gonna chit chat with the with the little one. Come say hello. Right guys, that's the end of the video. Bye. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Come on, say bye. Say bye. Bye. See you later guys.